At the beach, I like to play in the water. At the beach, we jump the waves. I like the ocean. The funniest thing at the beach is building sandcastles. And my sister likes to collect shells. There's lots of slimy seaweed. And we always take our rubbish home.